Here we have a short segmented disclosure question. So Penner Corp has 7 industry segments with total revenues as follows. Based on only the revenues test, which industry segments are reportable under IFRS and which industry segments are reportable under ASPE? Okay, so the revenue test is the segment has to exceed 10% of total revenue. So first we need to figure out what the total revenue is. So let's just do some quick math here. 600, 650, 250, 375, 225, 200, and 700. So the total revenue then is going to be, okay, 3,000. So the test would be 3,000 times 10%, anything exceeding that. So which segments have exceed that? This one, yes, yes, no, yes, no, no, and yes. So I think the answer would be then that we're going to record Gamma, Kennedy, Red Moon, and last but not least, none. And that is our answer there.